Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video from Shomo's Biology. In this video, we're going to talk about the bioinformatics career in 2022. The bioinformatics career jobs in India. So, is it good to take bioinformatics as your career option in future times? Why not? Bioinformatics is with higher demand and it's increasing day by day. Bioinformatics students generally get higher salary as a fresher compared to any other field of life sciences right now. So I don't see a reason of not choosing bioinformatics as a career option. So if you want to know and learn more about the bioinformatics career in 2022 and bioinformatics career in India, then watch this video completely. Alright, so bioinformatics is, what is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics in very simple terms we can say is dealing with data, dealing with a lot of data. So we have different data coming from different experiments in the field of biological sciences, that is in biotechnology, microbiology, molecular biology, in different sectors, the human healthcare sector, the agricultural sector, the diagnostic sector, from all the FMCG sector, from all these different sectors, the data sets are there, and depending upon the data, statistical analysis is needed. And the statistical analysis, to do those analysis, we need to develop softwares which will do the statistical analysis for us. There are different medical coding jobs available. There are different clinical trials, and management of those trials require to develop complex algorithms to find out the different outcome which will help us to design the trials faster and make the trials more easy for individuals. So for all these reasons, data analysis is needed, and bioinformatics helps us to understand the data, to structure the data properly, and also to understand how a new protein is developed, a new enzyme is developed and found, how to compare an enzyme and protein from the existing database, and everything, maintenance of those databases, and huge task. All these things will be done by bioinformatics individuals. So individuals with bioinformatics degree has the role of in all these different sectors. So there's a huge demand of bioinformatics or bioinformaticians in India and across the globe. Huge demand of bioinformatics graduates and postgraduates. So again, as a researcher, if you can continue as a bioinformatics as a research, I don't like this field, but as a job, think of bioinformatics as a permanent job. If you want to get a job in this particular field after graduation and masters, then I'll definitely recommend you to choose bioinformatics as a career option. And also as an academic line, if you want to be a teacher of bioinformatics, that area is also very blank because we find very less teacher of bioinformatics. So again, the demand is very high of bioinformatics lecturer, so you can also get that job after a proper PhD is done, or after the MSc also, if you qualify lectureship. So these two different sections we'll discuss. One is the academic career and second one is the industrial career. The academic career goes like after PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, or physics, chemistry, biology, any of that in your +2. After that, BSc in bioinformatics, MSc in bioinformatics. After MSc, you need to qualify any of the national level PhD entrance examination like CSAT, NET, ICMR, GATE, all these things. After qualifying that, you will be eligible to do PhD, and after completion of PhD, along with qualification of lectureship, which is conducted by CSIR, you will be eligible to teach bioinformatics in universities and colleges across the India, and you can apply abroad as well. That is one line, but it requires like after PCM or PCB, it requires 13 to 15 or 17 years of your study. But if you want to get job faster in the industrial sector, because I told you the jobs are available in bioinformatics, the salary is also handsome compared to the other biological sciences salaries for freshers. So here in this industrial sector, you can directly go with the PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and then you go with the BTech in bioinformatics, then MTech in bioinformatics, and that's how you can complete. Or you don't need to do MTech even. After PCM, you can do BTech in bioinformatics and directly go into the job. Or again, you can go for the teaching after qualifying the GATE and all this. And then you can come to the other part, and that is the PCM or PCB, then BSc in bioinformatics, MSc in bioinformatics. But if you have less time in your hand, you can simply do the graduation in bioinformatics for 3 years, and then you can go with the postgraduate diploma in bioinformatics right after the graduation. The postgraduate diploma will be of 6 months to 1 year at max, while the MSc of bioinformatics will be 2 years. So if you have less time in your hand, then go with this approach of graduation or BSc in bioinformatics after PCB or PCM, then go with the simply go with the postgraduate diploma in bioinformatics, and then complete the postgraduate diploma from an institute who can provide you placement services, and you'll be placed, if it's a good institute, you'll be placed 100%, and that's the idea. But for understanding bioinformatics very well, for making a career in bioinformatics, you need to have a proper commanding knowledge of maths. Now generally the problem with the biology students is that they fear math and they tend to go away from math throughout their career. In that case, bioinformatics may not be sufficing or may not be a good career choice for you if you fear math. Because in case of bioinformatics, in the different job profiles of bioinformatics, later on you will be able to, you need to handle different data sets, a lot of information, a lot of numbers you need to handle, and you need to have a proper commanding knowledge over math, proper commanding knowledge over different programming languages like C++, Python, JavaScript. This language understanding is very, very interesting and important, particularly Python language, based on which multiple bioinformatics understanding and different algorithm requirement of the Python language is very much important. So for that reason, you need to go through that portion as well. So without, like, if you don't have fear for math and can go, then only go for bioinformatics. Otherwise, fearing math will not at all help you to get bioinformatics in your career. It will ruin your career if you fear math and still take bioinformatics. Now, why I say the bioinformatics as a higher demand? Obviously, bioinformatics industry is growing more than 12% of rate every single year, and it will grow even more than that, even more than 15% rate annually from 2022 to 2032. Yes, it's growing in very fast and rapidly. Not only that, but also the salary range, the default salary for a fresher in the bioinformatics field will be 5 lakh to 6 lakh per annum, where all the other biological fields have 3 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. So obviously it has a higher basic pay for the fresher, and also has a higher demand. So that's why this is a choice, this is a preferred choice if you can handle mathematics as well as the understanding of programming languages, and you can handle this particular bioinformatics course. You can be a biometrician, okay, you can be acting as a biostatistician or a programmer of different softwares or apps that you need to build for human welfare. You can become a software developer, software related to the anything related to the human data, human body growth data analysis, or also the agricultural data analysis, or any other analysis related to the field of biological sciences. You can become computational biologist and clinical software engineer, and can develop softwares which will be involved in the process of human welfare, or the product that is related to, or service that is related to human welfare. Right, so let's talk about the bioinformatics final verdict. So final verdict regarding the bioinformatics as a career option in India. Bioinformatics jobs and career option, and the final score. The preparation cost for bioinformatics is moderate, not very high, not very low, it's moderate. The demand in future will be very, very high for bioinformatics, for drug designing and so many other components. Salary as a fresher is also very good, and it's best at par the standards of rest of the other disciplines of biological sciences. So 2 green dots, 1 yellow dot, and in this case the score goes to 8.75 out of 10. I give bioinformatics 8.75 out of 10 because it has less competition, more demand in future. So supply is less, demand is high, so the job salary will be higher. So go with bioinformatics as a career choice. This is a very good career choice in India. Bioinformatics career in India will be very good after 2022. So that's why bioinformatics, with a higher demand and the demand growing in the upcoming years, and with a less pricey course to be completed, and it has a huge vacancy range in the field of academics as well as in the field of different industrial jobs. So we choose bioinformatics as a preferred career choice in the years to come. And my rating for the bioinformatics career in India will be 9 out of 10. Yes, 9 out of 10 rating, because of the higher demand and a higher salary for the fresher compared to the rest of the salaries of the biological sciences and disciplines of different biological sciences. So choose bioinformatics, but the catch is your math should be good. You should not fear math, and also should be fond of the computer programming languages. So for that, bioinformatics is a good career choice. If you like to go with the bioinformatics, go ahead, all the very best for that in future career. So that's all about bioinformatics career in India, bioinformatics career in 2022 in India. and all about the bioinformatics jobs in India. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.